Alison, this is your first time speaking at the CBI annual conference. What are your impressions so far?
It's a great event. For me, it was brilliant to network with people over lunch and to see what some of the technologies that some people were demonstrating upstairs. That was really fascinating. But to get the real business angle on some of these technology issues, that was great.
This year's conference is all about innovation and groundbreaking technologies. How is Cisco staying ahead of the game?
Cisco has managed to stay ahead of the game for 30 years, so they're quite good at it. And they have a number of mechanisms to do that. But the main one is their innovation strategy, and that's built on 5 pillars. So we innovate with our own engineers, so we invest in 21,000 engineers globally and they create their own ideas. Or we buy, so we're quite acquisitive and we'll buy companies that we think will help us jump the curve. We'll partner with many of our other companies to help us actually come up with a solution. We will co-invest, so we'll actually help invest money in startups, or we'll co-invent. We'll actually work with other companies to work through their issues and problems to come up with a new idea. So that really does help us stay in front of the curve because we have multiple avenues to help us actually address the issues that we're seeing in terms of disruptive technology.
We often hear that companies sometimes struggle to adopt new technologies. How can they jump over those barriers?
Yeah, it's an interesting one. I mean, I'm a technology person by passion, and it's quite interesting. We did a piece of research. We got an independent university to do some research for us to look at these digitisation programs that companies are trying to do and work out which ones fail and which ones succeed. And it's quite fascinating. It was nothing to do with technology. It was more about and all about the culture. In other words, it's a cultural problem in terms of how do businesses get the right culture to enable this technology to be accepted by their employees, to actually see the benefit of this technology coming into their company.